Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a 12 by 12 layout using my Color Rush Studio design team kit. I will leave the link down below for my unboxing and my first layout, and this is my second project using this collection. So what I've already gone ahead and done was cut up this floral sheet to have all of these die cuts, but the back side is this great stripe that I do want to use as I need strips from it. And then these were also included in the kit, which is kind of why I had this here, because I'm thinking of having a strip of this, and then have it on this grid background paper. Is just where I'm at so far as hashing out my ideas. Photos I'm using were shopping recently at Trader Joe's, and Valentina picked out a set of sunflowers. Those are her favorite flowers. And then I've picked out this Grim Tales sequence pack, which goes perfectly with it. Kind of has like these, almost reminds me like, you know, like coffee colors, like the dark corally beige, latte, soft brown, soft coral colors all together. I'm hoping this picks it up. You can see some of it. So I just thought that as an accent toward the end, this could be perfect as well. So I will leave this kit link down below. Let me grab out my other border punch, because I think that will also make it a little bit fancier. Where's my border punch? Because I just have...
Daddy's gonna be home
soon, baby. I just have one border punch, and I'm just looking for it. Okay, so I found my border punch. This is like the only one I have. It's by Martha Stewart. Do you remember Martha Stewart's line when she had it at Michael's? And at the time, I probably didn't know how much I would need this border punch, because by all means, I've seen projects by other creators using a border punch from Martha Stewart, and I kicked myself that I didn't collect more of these when I had the chance. They're just so good, and you never know you need them until you want one, and then you're like, could have used one. And that's why I loved Tuesday Morning at the time, because randomly they might have them, but I never picked them up because it might have been maybe too theme oriented or something, which stalled me from making it. Anyways, let's get back to the project. So I used the border punch in order to make the two pattern papers decorative, like the scalloped edge of the, I don't even know what you call this. It's like, it almost looks like the borders that teachers use for bulletin boards, but it might not be. It might just be the inside of like a cardboard, because it has like that almost like grosgrain texture to it. It's awesome that she includes these elements in these kits. I think each month has had some sort of textural element, and I've always tried to use them with the use of the kit. So at first you see me auditioning out a vertical orientation with those paper pieces, and in the end I think I go with more, I switch it over to a horizontal looking one. I don't know why. It looked good both ways. I just decided to go with the horizontal orientation and not the vertical. If you decide to do something like this, both will work. And then I definitely balance it out by having two 3x4 photos that I stagger, one higher to the left and lower to the right to create that balance. And then all that fussy cutting of the elements that I already did off camera came in perfectly to make two very luscious, thick clusters around my photos for both of them on the page. Also making the title say "Shine Bright" with the kind of craft colored cardstock that also has like a white polka dot on it. And no, layout is complete without getting back into some of that mixed media that I've loved so much. And this one I just went straight in with some of the sprays of the mica sprays from Tim Holtz. These are from his fall collection or Halloween collection. The yellow one is called Harvest Gold, and the orangey red one is called, what was the other one? Tart Cranberry or Burning Embers are the colors that I use. I also went in with some paint splatters, and I'm loving the way everything is looking, because it has that almost like blurred effect when you add the sprays to give you that halo of yellow, which is perfect. Now I'm going in with my Nuvo liquid glue to adhere my sequences. Any liquid glue really works really well. I sometimes get asked what glue I use to attach my sequences. Nothing too fancy, either this or I have the Tombow clear liquid glue usually sitting on my desk, and those are usually what I grab to. And so far never really lose any sequence that I apply to my layouts. So here I am making that title, like I said, Shine Bright. And I did say these were photos that we just kind of snapped real quick in Trader Joe's. Valentina loves a sunflower, so when she sees them, I always know, okay, she's going to beg me to get a bushel, a bouquet's worth. And she always insists on having them in her room, which always kind of scares me because, let's be honest, she might knock it down, and most of my vases are glass. But so far, so good. We haven't had a knockdown vase. But she loves her sunflowers, so I'm always happy to get her a bouquet's worth. Okay, that will wrap up this layout. So cute how it turned out. And I really like these sprays. These were the Halloween collection from Tim Holtz that were at Joann's. But I got them last year, but I know they re-released them. So if you can, get your set of those. It came in 3 packs. Because the mixed media back there with the shimmer is amazing. You can see that yellow. It nearly looks like gold. So good. So added all of those things. So I just did the gluing of them off camera. The speckle of the sequins, Grimm's Tail, and then the flare. This one is from Happy Scrappin' Studio, but this is from the kit as well. The little like textured corduroy heart, and then that one's also a little flare from Happy Scrappin' Studio. Adorable, definitely fall colors. All right, so I will leave as many links to everything I used down below. Thank you so much for joining. If you're new, please consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up, everyone, and until next time, bye.
Watched a ship crash into mine.